Hey, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Annie.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. Today we're going to make a lemonade and a limeade with some berries.
Really refreshing drink. We love that.
So you just take your water, and this is super concentrated. So just know that you don't need very much and it goes a long way. And I actually just baked a cake with the lemon the other day, and it was so good. I didn't need any lemons. I actually did it all with the lemonade powder. Thank you.
I think we might need a little bit more.
So mine is the lime, yours is the lemon. Oh, we should probably add sweetener.
Yeah.
Sweetener of choice, you can add sugar, honey, stevia. I've never used this kind, so I don't know how much is too much. Maybe it'll be a little bit tart.
I'm just gonna do a little sweet.
Oh, that's a lot sweet.
Maybe too much. Oh, look at the color differences too, eh? The lemon and the lime.
And then I'm gonna take blueberries in mine. So this will be a blueberry limeade. Now you can powder the blueberries down and add the powder into the drink, but I like putting the whole berries, and you'll be able to see the color will start to change. That looks about good. Maybe some more.
Oh, look at the color, that's pretty.
Actually, it looks like it's like, what's it called?
Separating?
It looks like a rainbow right now with the colors. It's actually pretty awesome. So you'll be able to see that that color changes to a blueberry limeade, and yours is strawberry lemonade.
I love strawberry lemonade. You can powder it too, but I like the flakes on it. So as you can see, it's changing colors too. Yum.
That's awesome. And then I'm just gonna pour mine into the glass. All the berries in this one.
Oh, wow.
That's so tasty.
Look at the colors, aren't those pretty?
Yeah, it's so good and so refreshing, easy.
So if you have any questions, just comment below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so.
Hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. And we'll see you again soon. Remember,
Thumbs up.
you can do this too.